How to use Instagram Edits app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have downloaded Instagram Edits app from your Play Store. After you've installed, open the app. Here, log in with your Instagram account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you click on bottom left, first option, you'll find ideas. Here, there will be all your saved reels, audio collection, and stickers. Now if you click on another second option at the bottom, you'll find other reels for your inspiration. Now if you click on the third option, from here you can create your project. And if you click on the circle icon at the bottom, you will be able to record a video as you want. And to record a video on the left side, you can add audio if you want. If not, simply film it by clicking on the circle option. After you're done filming it, click on the arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you will be able to edit the video you just created. You can adjust everything as shown on screen at the bottom. After you're done, press on export and you will be able to post the video. And if you click on the last option at the bottom right, here you'll find all account insights. You can scroll through it and see most views, most likes as you want. And this is how to use Instagram Edits app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.